Cody wants to go check out that old, some sort of automobile. So, we're at a gorge up in New York. We just came to see the gorge. But we're getting mine vibes. And this area was not supposed to be mined. But there's old pipes sticking out of the ground right there. There's like benches up there. Now we've got this old truck. Curious. So, like I said, this was just supposed to be nature. But we found this ruin. We'll get down in it. Ugh. Yeah. Foundation for something. Stacked rock. No cement. So, yeah. Pretty old. Oh, it's decent size. Continuing here.
Might have been a copper canteen or something.
What are you thinking? 1800s probably, huh? Since there's no mortar.
The old Girl Scouts camp?
No. That would be newer than that. Yeah, they were wood. Pretty cool. Love finding ruins.